beautiful people, what's up? I'm Harrison Fernandez and today I'll be sharing with you guys a mini haul. So I have shopped from Nykaa, Hook Makeup and Sugar. So I'll reviewing the products and let you guys know what I feel about them. Please keep on watching the video. If you like my video, please put a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel below and hit that bell icon as well. So let's get started. So I got these 3 palettes from Hook Makeup and this 3 retailed me for around 999. These are Nika K makeup palette, eyeshadow palettes. This is in the shade Birthday Cake, Mocha Mix and Autumn Spice. They have really amazing shades, I must tell you guys. These are damn pigmented. Don't give it a second thought, just go and grab it. I think they are having offer as of now. I'll share the link in the description box below. So I'll just show you guys the shades. So this is the Birthday Cake and they have such a beautiful shade. You can create any beautiful look. I mean, you don't require a high-end product. You can just use these 3 eyeshadow palettes and you're good to go. I'll just show you guys the swatches. So it's that pigmented, if you can see. One moment, see the pigmentation, man, it's just wow, like super wow. So the matte and the glittery shades are really thumbs up from my end. If you like it, please go and buy it, don't give it a second thought. Then I got these 2 products from Sugar Cosmetics. One is the eyeshadow kit and one is the face forward primer. So the face forward primer is really good product and I have been trying this out and it actually helps in blurring out the pores. It's transparent, if you can it's transparent. So I have written a blog on it as well, so you can just check them out. And this is just a retractable, like you just have to twist it and the product comes out. It retailed me for around $7.99. This is in the shade 10, Carnival Chaos. This is the stick and this is very pigmented eyeshadow. It's a golden eyeshadow. If you don't want to invest in big eyeshadows and just want to buy this, see, that's the shade. If you don't want to invest in much, you can go for this shade as well. So this retailed me for around 300. If you wish to buy this, I'll share the link in the description box. Then I got an eyebrow kit and this is from Wet n Wild. See the shades. This is a dark brown shade, this is a light brown and this is white wax, just to keep your eyebrows intact. So basically I don't require eyebrow to fill in the eyebrows. I don't require to fill in the eyebrows, but sometimes I just need to define them to look give them a proper look also. And this is the angular brush which you get, you can see, and it's so cute and tiny, I must tell you. And you get a tweezer as well just to pull out the extras. It retailed me for around $3.99. It's budget friendly and this is in the shade ash brown. I think they have just one variant in India available. You can also get them on Hook Makeup. I'll share the links in the description box below. Also I got this highlighter palette from Wet n Wild and this retailed me for $3.99. This was in discount. So if you can see, this is in the shade Precious Petal. I'll show you the shade. If you can see, whoa, see the pigmentation that you get. This is very budget friendly. You can just go and grab this as well. If you get this in discount or just in the normal price, please go and grab this. This is a cruelty free product, so yeah, it's a must buy product. Then I got a lipstick. This is the Nykaa Ultra Matte lipstick in the shade Diana. First, let me tell you about the packaging. I was so happy with the packaging. You get it's just a magnet kind of a thing, and this is the lipstick. Today I'm wearing it on my lips as well. Also, I'll just do a swatch. See, the pigmentation is very good, the shade is very good, but only con is it transfers. It's a creamy matte, so it smudges as well. So if you are a matte person, and don't invest in this. But if you like something, it's not proper matte, and you love creamy matte lipsticks, you can definitely try them out. This retailed me for 480 or so. This retailed me for 480. If you wish to buy, I'll share the link in the description box below. Okay, so then I got a brush. This is a dome shaped brush. This is ProArte PE29. I got this for around 325, and you can use this brush for smoky eye look, for your inner corners, for your outer corners, and to give a proper perfect shape for the outer part, just like a cat eyeliner kind of a thing. So you can use this brush for various looks as well. If you wish to buy this, links will be in the description box. I'll share the links for all the products. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and give a big thumbs up. Also, please hit that bell icon below. If you like my videos, I'll be uploading more videos soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Bye guys.